Okay guys, good morning and welcome to another unboxing video. This time we're unboxing something old that's already been opened a long time ago, but I feel like it's worth a mention. This is a game from my youth and I absolutely love this game. This is called Yeti The Abominable Snowman, made by MB Games. I think it was back in the early 80s probably, or the late 70s it's come out. It's a board game. I know people don't play board games much anymore, but here it is. That's the box itself. Oh, there we are. 1977 by Milton Bradley Limited, made in the Republic of Ireland. So I had this game as a child. However, as a teenager, it got lost, passed on, given to somebody else, sold, or something. So I found this on eBay recently, and these are quite rare. Currently, there isn't one on eBay for sale at the time of recording this video. So I paid £39 for this one, and I've seen them go in ones in better condition than this. I've seen them go for up to 60 or 70 quid if they're kept in good condition. So let's have a quick look inside. I'll just put the board, I'll have to put that on the floor because there's space. Right, now the first thing that I love about this game is the board itself. This is the map of the game itself. Look at the detail on that. They've obviously taken a bit of time to paint that, and especially in the winter time. And as a young person, as a child, this was quite sort of thought invoking, and I loved the idea of living somewhere snowy like this, with frozen lakes and fishermen and caves and the old-fashioned sort of supply stores and general stores. Up in the top corner here, you've got the North Pass with a little cabin, little shack. So I love this board. Yeah, as a child I really enjoyed playing it. So the whole point of this game is this little guy. This is the Yeti, and underneath he's got a foot, and he starts the game here in the Yeti's cave. And what you've got to do with this game is you've got these fellas. These are your little hikers. You get 2 of these each. When you start the game, it's for 2 or more players. You get 2 of these and you put them on various different places on the board. And you roll the dice and you move around the board. And each of these little spots has an action. So, say the red spots don't do anything. The brown spots are certain locations in the board, like mining town, fishery. Obviously you can see that. If you land on one of these spots, you then take control of the Yeti and you roll the dice again and move around the board as the Yeti, and the object of the game is to stomp on the people, the other people in the game, and as he stomps he leaves little tokens. If it comes out blank like that, you've survived, but if it comes out with a foot on it, you've been stomped by the Yeti and you're out of the game. And that is literally it. You play, there's little cards in the game which give you instructions. So every time you land on a blue space, you get to pick a card, and the card tells you an action. So you can move people to various places on the board, you can move the Yeti around, or you get a card that you can use once to protect you from the Yeti, and things like that. And the game can take anything from about 30 to 40 minutes up to a couple of hours, depending on if you want a quick game you can play with just 1 token, or if you want a long game and there's 4 or 5 of you, it could take a couple of hours potentially to play it. If you land on these red ones, it's double Yeti. So basically when you throw the dice, you double the score on there, and usually then the Yeti can move a lot further around the board and stomp on a few people. So that's pretty much it. It's not rocket science, this game, but it's a lot of fun, and it's quite well made and pretty as well. As you can see, this one's a little bit worn, but I'm pretty happy with that, in fairness. So there we go. That's a little review of Yeti The Abominable Snowman. Thank you for watching. Cheers.